Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Ashton Prince, and I am the chief editor here at Dental Advisor. I wanted to spend a few minutes with you to express some of the insights that we've had regarding the valuation we've done within the walls of Dental Advisor. And it's a product that I've actually been using quite often in my office, and that is the Isolite Pro made by Xyrus. So what Xyrus has come out with is a product that you may have been familiarizing yourself with regarding suction, a little bit of some isolation, things like that. Maybe even you've been aware of the Illumination that's associated with it. And I think it does much, much more than that. To set the table for it, it is a polymer-based, very comfortable device that works as a bite block, but it's maintaining protection to your airway as well for the accumulation of debris or excess saliva or things that are back towards the back that you don't want to have the patient being too concerned with. This device is actually protecting those areas. It does keep the area clean. The suction that is constant going on through it, I think, is fantastic. But what I love about this is that, yes, you get the retraction. It's keeping the cheek and things away so you can see the access is much better than what things have been in the past for me. But it's also illuminating the area in a way that I haven't otherwise with my loops or an overhead light or things like that. There's 3 different levels of brightness from a white standpoint to just make things kind of pop. So you have a high, medium, and a low there. But you also have the true amber cure safe illumination in that same 3 levels, high, medium, or low there, which allows for you to be a little bit more efficient with your time when you are trying to prevent any materials from curing prematurely, things like your composites or your resins or things like that. And it really does a very fantastic job, and something that's not really looked at very much, and that is in acting almost like a second set of hands for your assistants. Now, if you need to be a little bit more efficient with having your assistant doing things that are outside the mouth, grabbing materials, products, things like that, then this does work to keep the area nice and clean for you so you continue to work if need be and not missing any steps and actually saving yourself some time. So the setup for the device is actually fantastic. Kind of breaks itself up into 5 different sections. You have the cheek guard, which is keeping that cheek back and out of the way to improve your visibility of the teeth that you're trying to work on. The dual suction means that when you have that placed into the side of the mouth, then it's getting a suction of the maxillary as well as the mandibular, so you don't have to try and switch the device back and forth. The light we've already talked about, and I'll show you some pictures of that here in just a moment, what it looks like with the light off and what it looks like when that light is turned on. Now, the tongue retraction is ideal, mostly because that is one of the things that we fight with the very most when it comes to working in the mandibular arch, and sometimes even the maxillary, is you get a tongue that is just kind of trying to get all over the place and find out what's going on. This keeps that back and out of the way so that it becomes almost impossible for the patient to maneuver that around. The airway protection, absolutely fantastic, keeping a nice barrier back there in the back so you don't have to worry about debris or things getting back in the back. And that bite block, that is ideal with that soft polymer material. It allows for the patient to relax, to keep the mouth open and not have it straining the muscles as you're going through some better efficiency for while you're working. Now, a device like this, you might look at and say, well, it's kind of large. Well, there's 6 different sizes that Xyrus has come out with this product. You have a pediatric, you have an extra small, you have a small, you have a medium DV, which that DV stands for deep vestibule if you need to try and open things up a little bit more, or you have a large. So there's a wide variety of different sizes, so you can customize the fit of these a little bit better off for your patients. So in the first image that you see here, you can kind of picture as to what it looks like if you're getting the suction, you're getting the environment nice and clean, you're getting the retraction that you were looking for, you've got the bite block piece, everything's looking great. You just can't see the environment very well. And even if you're using illumination with your loops or an overhead light, it's just not ideal. So you turn the light on, and this is what you see. On the left-hand side, that nice bright white that you get. On the other side, that true amber. You can toggle back and forth between the two as needed. But what it does is it makes the entire area visible, so that you can see exactly what you're doing. Now, that's in the posterior. If you're in the anterior, the setup's just a little bit different. What you're getting is the retraction back from about the first bicuspid over the other first bicuspid on the contralateral side. But what this is giving you is the suction for that maxillary and the mandibular still. You're getting the retraction of the lips back so that you can be working on the facial or the lingual side, and you're having that bite block still there so that you're maintaining that open bite in an area that can sometimes be difficult for a patient to maintain that open position for a long period of time. Now, understanding the material or product like this might be just a little bit uncomfortable for you if you haven't ever used anything like it in the past. Xyrus has come out with a program that I think is brilliant. They call it the Complementary Success Kits, in which you can utilize a few of their devices for different sizes so you can start to get a feel of, is this the right size? So that you're not utilizing the small and thinking, is this too small? Is this too big? Where am I? But I don't want to waste this because it's not necessarily an expensive device, but at the same time, you just don't want to be wasting things. You want to make it more convenient and efficient for your patients as well. So if you are looking into a product like this, if you're trying to find an alternative to keeping that section, keeping the retraction, getting the illumination where you need it to be, having that extra set of hands, then Xyrus has got a great program here. And I think the product is fantastic. I utilize it in my office all the time. And I think you ought to give it a try as well. I don't think you're going to be disappointed.